That sounds like a cat with a horse on it. Yeah, I think if you're doing like, what was it, an hour and a quarter, I think if you were find these weird, and I mean like properly weird stuff. I think it does help that you live in the town centre.
Yeah.
I feel like, yeah, it's like a barrier less, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it is a big barrier. I mean, because you can leave a gig at even if you finish at 10:45, with these two girls in front of you, barely walk, like the staggering back there, walk past like, Steve! People are working. Who had just come back to seeing Isabel. But it was just the weirdest, like...
I know.
Or do you meet like beside people who just have a place on the walk yeah. Not really like famous meeting a German 30-year-old also wanting to go to do Hungary.
Really, things.
Yes. You just like make sure you've got the bikes and a bike rack. Just hire them, right? Don't.
It's like
and it's a Silent Luna support crew.
Have a camera.
And then back from there.
That'll be a good little trip. And then, when do you go to Africa?
And then when we get to Botswana it'll be hot. It'll be like 25, 26. Yeah, so it's quite hard to pack for. And Tanzania will be relatively warm as well, but cold at night. So, yeah, it's a nightmare to pack for. Oh yeah, we should stop shooting. You know, if you've got, it's just a simple thing like getting a nice pair of boots can really change your experience of going for a walk, right?
Absolutely, yeah.
Because if you got something from Sports Direct or something,
it
could be really hard.
I think
work.
boots is something you probably shouldn't skimp out on. Probably same with like a waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof and hiking boots probably the most important thing.
I've heard a lot of people use trail runners. They're supposed to be super comfortable.
Yeah, more common. When I was working in the runner's needs shop, we got quite a few people coming, I want to buy some trail running shoes just for hiking. And I'd be like, yeah, great, go for it. Tell them the limitations, but like as long as they're aware of the limitations, then like totally worth it for some people.
Yeah, they're only good for like sort of summer, spring, autumn time, right?
Or for 2 hours, 2-3 hours or something. And so if you're going through...
Yeah, the one I've got is just under a kilo, which apparently is quite lightweight.
Doesn't sound that much. I did have a head torch, but it was really rough underfoot
Okay.
and bouldery, and I was just like, oh, if I fall now,
Yeah.
something happens. You know, it could be a real problem.
That was my main concern. I didn't want to injure my foot, my leg.
Yeah.
So I just took it
Your
really
brain
slow.
switches on, doesn't it? And it's almost like you need that little bit of fear just to be like, right, don't do anything stupid here.
Yeah,
You're fine if you just get yourself down without falling over and breaking your ankle.
absolutely, yeah. I wasn't worried about how long it was going to take me to get down. I just didn't want to injure myself.
Yeah. The other time was I made a mistake that I hopefully have learned from. Was went up without a spare torch and the battery went.
Oh no.
Like really hard just to walk across it. You had to sort of just a sheer drop on both sides.
I think I'm alright for that one, thank you.
But it wasn't technical, it was just scary. Yeah. But as long as you was focused.
Yeah, try it. You got tried it.
Yeah. You can kind of just walk. Have you had, you know, the Bob Graham in the latest series?
Oh yeah.
There are definitely times in that where you can be like, okay, there's a top here, there's a top there, there's a top there, there's a top there, which one is it? And it's... Oh, you know what to do against it.
I mean, he's out in a t-shirt, so I'm not too sure.
You might be
You
a,
go right to the top the other day.
could be a fell runner.
It could be, yeah.
Oh, come out, he's taking his girlfriend out for a fell run.
They were camping up here through the week. Oh. They had to abandon in the night of the start. Like you just couldn't go down. And then we have to abandon. So we had
Sponsorship from Lankme's So Milky Chocolate.
Oh yeah? Where'd you get him from?
Ukraine.
Oh.
When I want a slightly different height, there's nothing better than Ukrainian chocolates.
That's one way to support Ukraine.
oh yeah, it's biscuits.
Come on, please. That's the one.
So take a picture of the view and send it to the group.
Sure, Mike and Chaval will be really jealous.
That would be amazing, wouldn't it?
That is pretty cool.
Would you look to try and make new friends? Not get rid of your dog, in fact.
Yeah, I've got a
Like a
guy.
few, but
So
you need
you're
something,
running,
wouldn't you?
running.
Yeah, maybe going up, a running or something with when you're. Yeah, then walking around.
Around
Up
the
and down the
world. What else are they from?
Down. One more time. There was the one 10 year west did a version of. Stronger.
One says, right.
I can see a path. It's not the most appealing one.
I think there's a path at the bottom, isn't there?
I think it is a path. I think it's just a rubbish path.
It just doesn't look very, it looks more like a... I'm struggling to see the path.
Get some bare fruit and sit.
Sponsored by Rab.
Mango flavoured.
But sometimes you're actually better just to it's not hard to explain it. I know what you mean, I get it.
No, that's how you do it.
Yeah, I'll try and trace a line where it's slightly better.
Nick expertly coming down, showing us how it's done.
It's a nice kind of gentle sweeping valley downhill.
That's alright, I know. That's how I visualise it. Oh, we go down the nice
Look, there's some people coming this way. That's all. Observation. I'm telling you, it's lovely.
started, but I could tell that it would be amazing.
Yeah. It's very different.
Yeah, I didn't think I got the full experience.
Not innocent.
Really funny, but also really funny. Right. And it's what made me really happy was the sort of phone shot really nice and friendly.
Oh, that's good. And a good style.
You know, like the DC, but witty and
Yeah.
like the sort of the ones that they portray in film.
Okay.
Like of being like a slight misfits, but actually like
Cool.
they're the act.
Cool.
You know, like you've got those intersport shows. A lot of places like that. Quite basically, the places that will do ski hire in the summer, they'll do a mixture of basically anyone wants climbing equipment or hiking equipment or
Yeah.
ski first equipment. So you pay like 25 quid a point.
Yeah.
Hire the stuff on. Sometimes the wire will end, and there's another wire. But like, if you look at the way they've done the wire at the end, usually they'll tie it in some sort of neat knot or something,
Yeah.
like fold it over or something, so it's kind of like obvious at the end. And that's it. This one we were with him on, you know, it didn't look like it sort of just like right distance, right? Anymore,
Yeah.
Here,
Young clothing.
like genuinely, like you could make a really